Listen up. The world has sold you a lie. They told you no contact is a tactic, a 30-day magic trick to hit reset. They told you it's about making her miss you. They were wrong. It is not about making her do anything. It is about becoming a man who is so valuable that her missing you is simply the logical, inevitable consequence of your transformation. The cold, hard truth every high-value man understands is that she didn't leave because you stopped texting. She left because you stopped commanding respect. You handed her your power in 1,000 small apologies and compromises. This ends now. We're going to strip away the emotional dependence and rebuild you using the 3 most powerful principles of Stoicism. This is not self-help, this is emotional sovereignty. This is the proven method that turns a desperate silence into a magnetizing absence. If you are ready to stop begging for validation and start commanding attention, comment below, "I command respect." You believe your silence is the weapon. It's not. Your silence is simply the space you need to execute your evolution. When you start no contact hoping for a text, that needy energy still leaks out. She can feel it. The only way to make the silence terrifyingly attractive is to fill it with a transformation so complete that she loses access to the man she thought she knew. That is the shift from a man ruled by his passions to a man who is the sovereign of his own soul. These principles are not optional. They are the foundation of the unshakable man. Implement them with discipline, not emotion. First, virtue is the sole good. Your greatest weakness was defining your worth by her opinion or her presence. You chased her approval. That is a slave mentality. The Stoic command, virtue is the only thing truly good. Your mission is becoming a man of unyielding character, courage, discipline, and wisdom. The execution, redirect the addiction. You're addicted to her? Fine. Redirect that energy and become addicted to your own growth. Hit the gym until that pain becomes power. Pour yourself into a project until the fear of failure is replaced by the need for excellence. The result, your value is now unbreakable. You don't need her to validate you, your achievements validate you. She will sense that she is no longer the center of your universe, that you are. And a man with a center is magnetic. Second, living in accordance with nature, reason. The emotional man panics. He begs, he explains, he breaks no contact because his feelings told him to. The emotional man is easily replaced. The Stoic command, use your supreme faculty, reason. Accept the cold, hard facts of the breakup. Your emotional pain is real, but your actions must be governed by logic, not impulse. The practice, when the impulse to text hits, you use reason to observe the feeling, not obey it. You ask, does this action align with my mission? Does this action protect my self-respect? You are teaching yourself that your actions are chosen, not triggered. The result, you become the man who never shouts, never begs, never over-explains. You create consequence without chaos. Your silence is not sad, it is intentional. She realizes she cannot move you with emotional noise. That immovable foundation is the ultimate source of respect. Third, Memento Mori, remember you will die. You are wasting your life waiting for a text. You are putting your mission on hold. That is the greatest disrespect you can show yourself. The Stoic command, your time is finite. Every moment spent agonizing over a lost relationship is a moment you sacrifice your greatness. The execution, Memento Mori, creates immediate, non-negotiable urgency. The breakup is your starting gun. You look at your goals, your career, your fitness, your mastery, and you attack them now. You don't delay your best life for one day longer. The result, this frantic, purposeful pace of self-improvement accelerates your evolution. She will have built a life so compelling and so valuable that she will realize she didn't lose a guy who missed her, she lost a rocket ship she is no longer on. This is the final application. You must internalize this truth. You are either training her to respect you or to run circles around you. When she tests your frame with a light text or a question, the man governed by these 3 Stoic principles does not fold. Your reason keeps you calm, your virtue keeps you dignified, and your Memento Mori urgency ensures you value your time too much to engage in games. You respond only if it aligns with your dignity. You don't explain your silence, you command respect through your measured response. You must be absolutely willing to walk away forever. That willingness is the source of your power. The man who honors himself is willing to walk away from comfort, attention, and even love if it costs him his identity. That is the true magnetic force. When she sees you are prepared to build a kingdom alone rather than settle for chaos, she knows you are a man of non-negotiable standards. You will have built a life so solid, so aligned, and so valuable that she will feel the haunting regret of having lost access to something utterly unshakable. You were never meant to live on your knees for love. You were meant to walk in power. Start now. Your time isn't infinite. Command your respect. If this message struck something deep inside you, if it reminded you of the man you were always supposed to become, then lock it in. This is not the end, this is the start of a new era for you. To commit to this transformation, hit the like button right now. This tells the algorithm that you value self-mastery over desperation. And if you want to support this movement and make sure other men finally hear what no one ever told him, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Your life begins when you choose self-respect over comfort. Do not delay your greatness.